A ROM named as tequilaOS based on Android 13 with latest January 2023 security update is available for Redmi Note 8. And in this video, I am going to show the new features, customizations, AnTuTu benchmark score, safety net status, CPU throttling, Geekbench score, and many more of this tequilaOS. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, this is Redmi Note 8 and I have installed tequilaOS in it, which is running on latest Android 13. You can see its Android security update, which is January 5, 2023, and Android version is Android 13. And talking about kernel, Mi kernel is used in this ROM. This ROM has Mi camera pre-installed with working 48 megapixel camera in it. This Mi cam works perfectly in this ROM. Many users want to have this Mi cam on custom ROM, so here they have inbuilt Mi cam on this tequilaOS. Also, we can install and use latest Google camera in this ROM. I have installed Gcam version 8.7 and this is working without any error. Now I'll check safety net status of this ROM, and safety net is passed. Also, I'll check if the device is certified or not, and inside Play Protect certification you can see device is certified, which means we will not face any problem while using banking applications in this ROM. This ROM has minimal apps pre-installed and the user experience of this ROM is good. You will not face any lags while using this ROM on normal uses, but after some heavy uses you may feel minor lags while using. This ROM has its Tequila launcher installed and inside its home screen there is notification dots present with other options like double tap to sleep, suggestions, and quick actions like screenshots, lens, and clear all, which will be shown in recent apps section. Talking about the AnTuTu benchmark score, this ROM has 1,56,000 score, which is not a good score. Now also result of CPU throttling test in this ROM, and I have tested a CPU throttling test and CPU has throttled to 93% of its maximum performance. And you can see the Geekbench score of this ROM on this screen. This is how notification panel quick settings look like, which also have minimal tiles, but all the necessary tiles are present in it. It has Google Dialer installed, which does not have auto call recording feature, but flip to silence feature is implemented, which will put phone to silence for incoming calls just by flipping the phone on flat surface. Now let's check what new features are integrated in its settings section. At first, on settings section, it has tequilaOS setting present, but it does not have any customization available in it. It only has status bar option from where we can select which icon to be shown on status bar. Inside network and internet, there is private DNS mode available, but custom DNS are not added. We need to type it manually. Inside notification, there is notification history, conversation, bubble, and many notification related settings. Inside battery setting, there is battery usage and you can see the battery usage graph. Also battery saver, battery manager, and battery percentage are there in battery setting. And inside display setting, there is adaptive brightness, dark theme, night light colors, and other display related features. Inside security, fingerprint is present, but there is no option for face unlock feature and device is encrypted. Also, Xiaomi parts is present in this ROM, which have Mi sound enhancer, clear speaker, display color calibration, and vibration strength. And at last, in system, inside languages and input, there is app languages option is present, but only YouTube is showing there. And in gesture, there is quickly open camera, system navigation, one-handed mode, press and hold power button for power menu or digital assistant, and prevent ringing. And we can directly update to its latest version through OTA from here. And inside developer option, we can change display cutout, which have height notch option as well, and other cutout are also present. Also, there is no option to enable unlimited photo storage on Google Photos app. and you won't get unlimited photos and videos upload features in this tequilaOS. So this is all about this tequilaOS based on Android 13. It's the unofficial version and you may face minor lags while doing heavy uses in this ROM. For normal users, you won't face any lags in performance. I'll suggest you to use its stable official version when it fixes its performance. So that's it for this video. What do you think about this ROM? You can comment down below, and if you like this video, hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.